Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the divine light. You have a divine idea. I want you to zone in on your intellect and on your gifts. Believe in yourself and push forward. Don't just come up with a bright idea and leave it be. Say, wow, that's a great idea. I want you to work on that today, tomorrow, in this new season. I want you to build your intuition. I want you to build your imagination, what you see in your mind before. That will bring you freedom financially, spiritually, physically, and it's going to bring abundance your way. I'm the expression of love, and I shine like the sun. My inner light is my strength and my treasure and your gift. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am and what I can bring to the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.